Hi everyone, welcome to Dragon Image. Today we're here in our studio and we're having a look at this new Light Pro kit, which is actually a little 3-head focusable LED kind of kit. I haven't had a chance to play with it yet, so I thought I'd open it up with you guys. It comes with 2 cases. You've got one kit here, which has this nice kind of handy handle, which is very kind of easy to use, which is particularly for the stands, and then this one here, which actually has the lights in it. So first of all, we'll just open up that one, and so we'll just undo the zipper here. I find that if you unzip all the way, it makes it kind of easier to kind of get hold of everything. So we've got these 3 stands, very similar to, for instance, a Manfrotto Nano stand, the 5001. Quality is not quite as high, but you wouldn't expect it to be as high as it is a kit kind of stand. There we go. They're a bit stiff straight out of the box. Standard spigot connection at the top here, with a 1/4-inch thread. Okay, so it's going to be throwing things on the ground. Little flexi. This is for people that want a little bit more control over the positioning of their lights. It'd be good if you had like a backlight, or if you're trying to come over a table. Kind of have a look at that in a second. Instead of bending down, how about we just lift this up? So this is a 4-stage light stand, so that's your maximum height there, which is kind of puts that light a bit higher, gives you a bit more kind of reach with it. Okay. Okay, now for the main event, the lighting itself. So again, a very kind of solid-esque kind of box. I wouldn't check it in, but for standard kind of travel, it's not bad. Okay, so I can't really show you, but so we've got 3 lights, 3 power supplies, what looks like power cables, Sony battery chargers. So this kit actually comes with the little kind of Sony-esque kind of rechargeable batteries, like this. So there should be 6 of those in there. So for people out there that want a battery option. Then we've got the lights themselves. Okay, so here we go. Here's one of the little focusable lights. Very cute, I think. As far as lights go, they're a bit more kind of all complete. So that just goes on there. One of the things I did notice too is that there's a little 1/4-inch thread just there. That could be used for mounting it directly on that position and removing this altogether if you were in a situation where you're going to have them mounted and you don't want the yoke for one reason or another. I'm not entirely sure why you would do that, but you do have the option there. This is the one that isn't focusable, so, oops, undid the wrong part. So that reflector there is currently white, which you should be able to get a silver version of that if you want a bit more throw, but it's very kind of basic. So we'll throw this one on the non-flexible head. Okay, and the last one is again focusable. So with a focus, kind of this works by just turning that knob. And once we set this all up, I'll go through and do a video specifically on the heads themselves, so you can actually see what that focal range and the output and so forth is. And we'll just put this one back over to here. Okay, so while I'm here, let me just quickly have a look and see if there's anything else. So as I said, chargers, so there's 3 of those. Oh, that's good. Barn doors. Okay, so each head has its own barn door, which very easily. So it's got like a rubber washer, so I think it just kind of clicks in. Yep, there we go. Nice and simple. Let's try this one here. again. Just edges in. And this one here. Oops, did anything wrong? Nope. Just do it more evenly. There we go. Okay, so apart from that, as I said, so 3 power supplies, 3 of the cables. Oh, a little dome. That one there. So that replaces the one with the reflector, giving you kind of a nicer, kind of softer illumination. Another kind of clear cover for that one. A silver reflector, which will give you a higher output, but in turn will give you a kind of sharper kind of image. And 6 batteries. I don't know if these have any charge, but let me just put them on there. So you can see those 2 batteries just click straight into the back. Oh, we do have some power. So these lights are, so what I'll do is I'll quickly turn off these lights. Okay, so you can see here we've got our light with our barn doors, which allows us to kind of control the output of that light a bit. And then what we can also do is we can take that and focus it, which just gives me a little bit more control over the exact spot of illumination. Can you see that? Cool. Nice. Okay, so as I said, this one is by color. So if I actually push in on the knob that controls my dimming, I can actually change that. Oops. So that's dimming and then color. What I'll do in another video is I'll just get the meter out and actually measure it, so you've got those kind of outcomes. In this particular state, what I'll do is I'll set this up as if I'm interviewing somebody on this chair, so you can kind of have a look. Okay, so here we have the 2 lights. I've just got this one positioned as like a basic hair light. I've got this one here as my key light, which is giving me that Rembrandt-esque kind of look. And over here, I decided to put the little diffusion cap on that one to give me a softer look. What I'll do is I'll just turn off the house lights. So obviously these type of lights give you a lot of kind of control. What you could do is I'll get you to just focus this one a bit more for me. I can't see this, but I'm just kind of making it up as I go along. But by focusing it or flooding it, I can then change how much of that light is hitting me or how aggressive I want it to be. I could potentially turn off these lights so you can get a really kind of crisp kind of look at how much control that offers. So if you're, for instance, let's just say you're a painter or an artist and you want to kind of be able to capture a more contrasty kind of look, this will definitely help you. The advantages of having a light source like this is that it's a high CRI daylight color balance, which means that it's not as it's not tiring to me as a subject having it kind of there. The other thing is it's not going to kind of fatigue my eyes as quickly color-wise. Cheaper light sources or working under fluorescents and stuff like that will tend to irritate you over time, whereas higher CRI lights will kind of generally be better. If I wanted to, I could introduce this as a fill light for instance, environments where I was shooting outdoors and I wanted to kind of get rid of some of the shadows. That would be a kind of a great option for it. But as you can see, as a kit, it kind of comes with a lot of stuff that I kind of didn't expect, but I think it's kind of a really good kind of beginner's kit for people out there wanting to do short films, or artists or schools that want a basic little kit that they can kind of use for multiple things. If you're interested in this kit, you can go to the link below, and you can also kind of visit your local Dragon Image. If you're interested in other kind of lighting or other video kind of stuff, just let us know. Happy to do something on. If you have any comments, let us know in the comments below, because that will really help us out, kind of be able to find out what you want information on, and that really makes kind of making videos a lot easier, because we can do them to suit you versus having to come up with them ourselves. And click on the link below for the video that actually tests the lights with the spectrometer to give you the readings of the output of the particular lights. No worries, hope to see you soon, and thanks for watching.